This video will show you the proper way to install a Salvajor 3500 or 4530A adapter. Note, a flathead screwdriver and 7/16 inch wrench will be needed to tighten the adapter hardware and disposer clamp. Begin by placing the adapter against the cone or sink flange and place 1/2 of the split ring over the studs of the adapter, then install the supplied washers and nuts until finger tight. Attach the opposite split ring in the same manner, then tighten all nuts firmly to secure the adapter to the cone or sink flange. To attach the disposer to the adapter, slip the disposer's high car adapter over the adapter and tighten the top clamp on the disposer. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.